Review of Nextbase 622GW. Featuring a built-in polarizing filter, image stabilization, and 4K video resolution, the Nextbase 622GW produces video of excellent quality, making it easy to see number plates and vehicle details under any lighting condition. Alexa voice control and wait words emergency geolocation are cool extras. The latest Nextbase 622GW has it all when it comes to video recording smarts, and Nextbase has been at the forefront of dashcam tech for a while. You can capture 4K footage at 30 FPS with the 622GW new Ambarella H22 quad-core chipset. Better yet, drivers can rotate a bezel on the front of the lens to achieve beautiful, glare-free video. Resulting 4K clips look great in normal, well-lit situations, and you can playback them at 120 FPS via the super slow motion setting. For example, you can grab individual frames during an accident or snag a license plate during a hit and run. A rear camera module with 1080p/30 FPS is available, but it's sold separately. The good thing is that it doesn't require the annoyingly long wire dangling from the rear window since it plugs neatly into the side of the 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW has a sharp, 3-inch full-color rear touchscreen display that shows little icons for navigating the menus. You can't find these, especially while driving, not a good idea, and the touchscreen doesn't recognize your digits until you swipe them across. You can also use the My Nextbase Connect app to connect Amazon Alexa to the 622GW. It's available for iPhones and Androids. Once they're linked, you can tell Alexa, take a picture of my dashcam, and the camera will comply. The system works pretty well, but Alexa can have trouble understanding commands if you're in a noisy car. The camera now also offers Nextbase's emergency SOS feature, thanks to wait words geocoding. The innovative geocode system is increasingly used by emergency services to get help faster because it pinpoints exact locations within 3 meters of an ailing car, for example. Previously, Nextbase dash cams were a pain to use, often failing to give a stable connection between phone and camera to transfer stills and video, but that's all changed now. Setup is still a bit fiddly, and there are times when the Wi-Fi doesn't work, but we got some footage and imagery after a few tries. Plugging the camera into a PC or laptop is a lot easier, and playback is much slicker. Nextbase needs to address its app's connection issues if you're desperate to view footage right after an incident. Otherwise, the 622GW is a really easy camera to set up and use. With a 140-degree viewing angle, it doesn't have the biggest field of view, but it's still easy to see through the windscreen, and its low light and extreme weather recording modes are great for getting crisp footage in difficult conditions. With new image stabilization, you can get buttery smooth footage by cleverly squeezing out bumps and vibrations from potholes or bad road surfaces. Nextbase recommends investing in a 128GB U3 SD card, which is not included with the unit, because the resulting files are big. You can get these for about $25, £30, $45 but anything smaller will limit recording time. With the 622GW, you'll get a built-in G sensor that will record if it detects a bump or crash. With the touchscreen display, you can adjust the sensitivity, but a parking mode will also automatically record footage if the G sensor is activated, even when the camera isn't drawing power. Nextbase 622GW makes great footage now with its clever little design. I get that the Nextbase app isn't the easiest to use, but Alexa and wait words integration work great, and could make driving safer.